we are going to discuss some questions related to the Indian Constitution as a part of Chief Magistrate training program. Okay, first slide. So first question, the provisions of 6th schedule shall not apply in which one of following states? Option A, Meghalaya, option B, Tripura, option C, Mizoram, and option D, Goa. The provisions of 6th schedule. Which of following state is not applicable to the provisions of 6th schedule? Is option D is the right answer, Goa. Goa is the right answer. In second question, which constitutional amendment introduced the anti-defection provisions to the Constitution? We know that anti-defection provisions are included in 10th schedule, and the options are 51st Amendment, 41st Amendment, 52nd Amendment, and 62nd Amendment. Which constitutional amendment introduced the anti-defection provisions? Yeah, 52nd is the right answer, option C. Third question, which article empowers the president to dissolve the Lok Sabha at any time before its tenure? Which article? Article 95, Article 75, Article 85, and Article 65. Which of following article empowers the president to dissolve the Lok Sabha at any time before its tenure? Article 85 is the right answer. Option C, Article 85 is the right answer. Okay, fourth question. The voting age in general elections was reduced from 21 years to 18 years. Which amendment reduced the age to 21 years to 18 years? Option C is the right answer, 61st Amendment. Fifth question. A judge of High Court is appointed under which article of the Constitution? So Article 214, Article 216, Article 217, and Article 218. Article 217 is the right answer. Option C. Judge of High Court is appointed under Article 217 of the Indian Constitution. Sixth question. Which article of the Constitution empowers the President to appoint a commission to investigate the condition of background classes in general and suggest ameliorative measures? Article 342, Article 344, Article 340, and Article 339. Option C, Article 340 is the right answer. Seventh question, an item of expenditure not charged on the consolidated fund of state is emoluments and allowances of governor. Option B, salaries and allowances of judges of High Court. Option C, salaries and allowances of judicial officers of the state. And option D, sum required to satisfy any judgment or degree of court. Option C is the right answer, salaries and allowances of judicial officers of the state. Eighth question, in which case was the concept of curative petition developed by the Supreme Court? Option A, Ruba Ashokpura versus Ashokpura and others. Option B, Memeber Mills case. Option C, I.R. Puhlo case. Option D, Shandibhushan versus Supreme Court of India. Option A is the right answer, Ruba Ashokpura versus Ashokpura and others. Ninth question, under which article the Prime Minister is a duty bound to furnish information to the President? Article 75, Article 77, Article 78, and Article 79. Option C is the right answer, Article 78, which provides the Prime Minister is a duty to bound furnish information to the President. 10th question, as a result of Memeber Mills case, a law will be protected by Article 31C if which condition should be followed? Option A, it has been made to implement the directives in Article 39B and 39C. Option B, it has been made to implement any directive principle. Option C, it conflicts with the fundamental right. And option D, none of above. Option A is the right answer. It has been made to implement the directives in Article 39B and 39C. 11th question, which schedule of the Indian Constitution is related to Panchayat Raj? Option A, 2nd schedule. Option B, 8th schedule. Option C, 10th schedule. And option D, 11th schedule. The option D is the right answer. 11th schedule. 12th question. In which of the following bills joint sitting of both houses of parliament has been called? Option A, Dowry Prohibition Bill. Option B, Banking Service Commission. Option C, Prevention of Terrorism Bill 2002. And option D, all the above. Which of the following bills joint sitting of both houses has been called? The option D is the right answer. All these bills, the joint sitting of both houses of parliament has been called. Option D is the right answer. All the above. 13th question. Reservation of seats for SCs and STs in the Lok Sabha and state legislative assemblies was extended from 70 years to 80 years. By which of following amendment? Option A, 102. Option B, 103. Option C, 104. And option D, 100. Option C is the right answer. 104th amendment, which provides the reservation of seats for SCs and STs in Lok Sabha and state legislative assemblies, is extended from 70 years to 80 years. 14th question. Which amendment gave special status to the Union Territory of Delhi by designating it as a national capital territory of Delhi? Option A, 61st Amendment. Option B, 69th Amendment. Option C, 93rd Amendment. And option D, 65th Amendment. Option B is the right answer. 69th Amendment, which provides special status to Union Territory of Delhi. 15th question. Which amendment representation of Anglo-Indians in Lok Sabha was taken away? 104th Amendment, 101 Amendment, 99th Amendment, and 61st Amendment. Option A is the right answer. 104th Amendment taken away the representation of Anglo-Indians in Lok Sabha. 16th question. Which article of Indian Constitution declares Devanagari Hindi as an official language of India? Option A, Article 343. Option B, Article 348. Option C, Article 154. And option D, Article 156. Option A is the right answer. Article 343. Odd one out. Keshavananda Bharati versus State of Kerala. Memeber Mills case. Option C, Indira Nehru Gandhi versus Raj Narayan. And option D, MC Mahda versus Union of India. Option D is the right answer. MC Mahda versus Union of India. Because all other cases is dealt with basic structure of Indian Constitution. 18th question. Who was the dissenting judge in EWS case? Justice Maheshwari, Justice Trivedi, Justice Padiwala, Justice Ravindra Bhatt. Dissenting judge in EWS case. Economically weaker section. Option D is the right answer. Justice Ravindra Bhatt, who is the dissenting judge in EWS case on behalf of himself and Chief Justice U.U. Lalit. 19th question. The President of India was not a recipient of Bharat Ratna. Option A, Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Option B, Zakir Hussain. Option C, R. Venkataraman. And option D, V.V. Giri. President of India was not a recipient of Bharat Ratna. Option C is the right answer. R. Venkataraman was not a recipient of Bharat Ratna and President of India. Last question. How many judges are present in the Supreme Court of India? 34, 35, 36, and 37. Option A is the right answer. 34 judges are present in Supreme Court, including Chief Justice. So that's all for today's discussion. Thank you.